So I'm Paul Cooper. I work in the railway industry as an engineer for Hitachi. So at university I had an opportunity with the Royal Academy of Engineering to travel overseas, to experience engineering elsewhere in the world. And my head of department not only was interested in Japan, but also had a great passion for railways. And he was able to organise a trip to Japan to see railway engineering at its finest. So I was able to go to a depot in Japan where they overhaul the Shinkansen. These are the fastest, most reliable bullet trains in the world, and I saw them in their process from being taken, stripped down completely, everything checked, to being rebuilt in 12 days, and it was just amazing. Once I'd seen that, I was like, okay, this is cool, this is big boys' toys, and I wanted to get involved. So at the same time as I was out in Japan, Hitachi had signed their first contract in the UK to deliver the Javelin bullet trains that would be used in the Olympic Games and serve Kent. And I was really fortunate that the door opened through my head of department to join Hitachi as their first graduate in Europe. But I hadn't really appreciated how good it would feel to be travelling on those trains that we'd built in the UK during the Olympics and seeing all the visitors and tourists really enjoying their travel experience, and I'd been a part of it. So engineering always has at its core solving problems, and often the stakeholders for those problems come from many different backgrounds with many different points of view, and as an engineer you don't just need to be technically competent, but you need to be able to listen really carefully. To be a great engineer you need to be able to take risks, not just look at the small picture, but really have a great big vision for the future. When I started my career in engineering I was interested in trains, in systems, but over time I've realised that actually the reason we do this is to make people's lives better.